knee problem for a lot of years. It's kind of weird. I got shot in the left knee.
Yeah?
But my right knee is the one that gives me trouble because I favor my left and put all the pressure on my right.
Huh.
I used to do ballroom dancing, and I'd be dancing and my knee would give out. I'd just about fall down on the floor. The judges aren't impressed when you do that.
No, unless you make it look good.
My wife wasn't either. Like, this is not a breakdancing. Our little sticks really do well.
Yeah.
Probably one of the best general aircraft designs ever. All versions fly great.
Yeah, I've seen the 30cc ones look really good.
Oh yeah.
This in here gets a little squirrely in the wind, but
yeah, they handle wind pretty good for a little airplane.
Yeah, it's probably clipping along about 4 miles an hour right now, and
hard to beat that design. What's funny is I've had the 40 size, the 60 size. They all whistle when they get to a certain speed.
Really? Even with no matter gas or electric?
Well, I don't know if the electric will go fast enough. I had an 82 on the 60, so
Oh, well,
it would whistle. It sounds like a German whistling gas.
Right. Well, I have a lot more planes than I need. And
me too. I keep dragging this same biplane out. I was going to bring my Focat out this morning, but this is just so much fun. It flies so good.
And
it's
it's
indestructible.
And you hand built everything, so that makes it even more fun. Because it's your own creation up there.
I just can't believe I almost threw it away before I flew it.
Really? How come?
It was so heavy, and it felt like I was building a brick.
Ah.
And I just thought, it's just not going to fly well.
Did you have to do any changes to it or redesigns after your first flight?
No. Well, I did one. I changed the elevator. It had a lifting elevator.
Uh-huh.
And with a gas engine, the speed range didn't work well with the lifting elevators.
Right.
The lifting elevator took the place of down thrust. So you could either use lifting elevator, so the faster it went, the more down it gave it in the nose.
Uh-huh.
Or you could use down thrust. But with the gas engine, it's got a really wide speed envelope. With the glow engine, a glow 60,
Right.
it wouldn't get fast enough to have the lift be excessive. So with that 40cc gas instead of a 60, it'll lift right along. So I did need down thrust. The down thrust works better than the lifting elevator.
Right. Yeah, on my planes I have probably somewhere between 8 and 10 that I'm going to sell.
Wow.
This is one of them.
Yeah.
Flies great, but I think I'm going to cut it down to where I have 5 or 6 that I really, like you do, like you really like them, you know?
We've got 4 gassers and then a little Cub. I brought my Cub today. Little Cub handles wind really well. And then I've got one indoor flyer, the Citabra. But I didn't like the indoor flying all that well.
Nah, I don't think, I've never...
Tried it. It's okay, but I don't know. I just like coming out here.
Well, as I was going to say, we're in Texas. You can fly literally 10 months out of the year here.
Yeah, I fly out every month. I just wait till the wind isn't real bad.
Alright, I might as well land. This thing will fly for, it's like your biplane over there. It'll fly for 20 minutes if you want it to.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, almost got lost on that one on the tree line. Flying like the Wright brothers here.
Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah. That looked embarrassing. Got it on film and everything. This one with no tail wheel, man, I hate driving it on the ground.
I didn't realize that.
Yeah, it doesn't want to steer as good.